Hi, now I will show you how this export link works. If you click on export link, the subscriber list will be downloaded to your computer. So what I will do is I will work with the export link. So this is our export link. I will create a file and the name of the file will be export.php suppose. So I create a new file and give it export.php. I write some codes here in a new untitled section. I am going to copy that code and paste here. I am not writing all the codes. Here I will have to include the config.php file, and this is the time. Actually I do not need this. I will have to use the header content types as I will export the file as CSV format. So content type will be text CSV and character set is UTF-8. Content disposition attachment file name. Here you will give the file name, any file name, subscriber list.csv for now. Output equal to, it will open in this file, this will open as a output format. Okay, fopen php fopen function, then put csv. In csv file I will make a column with SL and another column will be subscriber email. Then I will pull all data from our subscribers table. Our table name is subscribers, where subscriber status, actually our in this case status equal to active, right? So I give here status active. Only active subscriber will be exported. Then this is the result function. This is not needed. Fetch all, to fetch all the information from the table. We can use fetch all, and in the result array all the information will come. Then I have used for each loop here to get every row one by one. And put CSV, here I will put everything like first is ID, row of ID. ID means database ID, here this ID, and I need email, and row of email, here our row name is email. If close the output, at last I will close the output. Now click here, go to export, and you see that subscriber list.csv coming. Click on OK. It has been downloaded. If I open the CSV file, I will see that all the subscribers has been exported as CSV.